Hi guys, it's Ellie and welcome to another easy drawing tutorial with Kawaii Art Tribe. Based on your comments on last week's drawing video, most of you voted for a unicorn. Before we dive into this week's step-by-step drawing, here's a shout out to the lucky winner of our one-stroke paint giveaway. If you'd like to stand a chance to win our one-stroke paint and have your cute drawings featured in next week's art video, check out Kawaii Art Tribe on Instagram. The links are in our description box below. These are the art materials that you will need. Here are the brushes that I will be using, but feel free to draw along using paper, markers, or your favorite colored pencils too. Let's start by using our liner brush and white paint to draw a quick sketch. Now let's start coloring. Use your large flat brush to mix white into this rainbow one-stroke paint from Effects Palette C. My brush was too dry in this video, so you should probably use more water when you load yours. Go ahead to color in your unicorn's fringe and tail. Next, use a damp round brush to carve out a more defined wave for the fringe and tail. Just wipe off any excess paint on a tissue to keep your brush clean. For the unicorn's face and body, let's use our medium round brush with white paint. Let's draw a horn using your small flat brush and this yellow and white paint. Twist your brush as you paint from the base to the tip. Then dab the yellow corner of the brush to create a cutie mark. If you are ready to outline your design, pick up your liner brush and black paint, and let's work our way from the top to the bottom. If you like to learn how to draw more cute and easy drawings like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, followed by the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Oops, I painted a small cut on my unicorn's arm, but no worries, I will show you how we can fix this later. So here's my little hack to fix mistakes. This is pretty much the same technique we use to shape our unicorn's hair. And once you're done, just pop on some extra color and you're good to go. Next, let's use our liner brush to add pink paint as her blusher and her inner ear color. To make our cutie mark stand out a bit more, we can add another coat of yellow using our liner brush. You can stop here if you're happy with your design, but I'm gonna show you how to draw a rainbow arch. And since our large brush is not thick enough to pick up the entire rainbow, I'm starting with just the first two colors on our medium flat brush for the inner arch. Then, I will switch to the large flat brush to pick up the remaining colors and put them on the outer arch. To make our rainbow blend smoothly, I'm overlapping the pink area again using the medium flat brush with the first two colors. If you really want your design to pop, then go ahead to give it an extra outline in white. For those of you who think you could never draw or paint like this, I highly encourage you to sign up for my free online beginner's art class. You will definitely surprise yourself, and I also have a special gift waiting for you at the end of the class. So go ahead and sign up via the link in the description below. I decided my unicorn looked too washed out, so I'm taking my liner brush with purple to add some color to her hooves. If you try this design at home, you should probably do this step before the black outline. Now let's give our unicorn some magical wings. Using the same liner brush in white, let's draw some teardrops in decreasing sizes. They should all be pointing back towards the shoulder of your unicorn. For more magic, Go ahead to draw some starbursts and dots all over your rainbow. And that's it! I hope you love your cute and easy drawing of this baby unicorn. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon to join me again next week. I am also running weekly coloring contests and giveaways on Instagram, so check that out in the description below. And let me know in the comments if you would prefer to learn how to draw a mermaid or a dragon in next week's drawing tutorial. Happy drawing guys, and I'll see you in my next art video.